We're back with another installation video for the Oracle Illuminated fender badges. And we heard you guys. You said, I love these glowing badges, but I already have a decal on the front of my vehicle. It's not gonna work out for me. So now we have a solution for you. You can actually mount these on the rear panel as well. And we're gonna go ahead and show you how to do that right now. We're gonna take our sterile alcohol pad and just wipe down the area that will be attached to this. We wanna get rid of any wax, dirt, or anything else here that could prevent this from sticking. All right, so we'll have the cable coming out the top because this is gonna go inside the hardtop here. And what we'll do is go ahead and remove the backing. Line this up and stick it into place. If we were doing this in really cold temperatures, we want to first heat up the surface and heat up this just to make it a little bit more flexible, a little bit more compliant, and also get rid of any residual moisture that may be on the metal panel. We're just going to go through and press this down firmly, making sure all the edges are adhering. The entire back of this is basically a 3M adhesive panel, so the entire thing is adhesive, so as long as everything's touching and pushed down, it should grab pretty good. So now for the wiring, we're gonna go ahead and get this hard top panel out of the way. All right, we're just gonna run the cable into the cab. If you have a normal type of hard top, you would just loosen the bolts along here, lift it up slightly, and slide the cable in. Same steps over here on the passenger side. We're just gonna clean this area. All right, so from the passenger side, we're gonna tuck our cable up under here, run it over here, and then there's this channel here that will run it down. We're gonna add our included extension cable, plug this in, and then we're gonna run this down this piece of gasket. We're gonna lift this up and get it out of the way. Take this tray out, get this out of the way. We'll mount our inverter in here. So basically we're gonna run our cable in this weather stripping all the way into this cavity here, and we're gonna mount our inverter like so. All right, so we'll go ahead and plug in our power adapter. This will end up plugging into the accessory adapter in the cargo area. And then we just have a little piece of double stick on the back of here. We're just gonna stick this right inside here where it's out of the way. Just like that. All right, so from the driver's side, we'll route our cable back behind here. And then we will go ahead and plug this in like so. We'll take these cables and we will hide them behind this piece of weather stripping here. At the same time, we're gonna take the power cable for the inverter and run it down the same channel. Now, of course, you can hardwire this or connect it to a different source. We're just using the 12-volt adapter here to make the installation as simple as possible. Then we'll take the included Y adapter, plug this into the inverter, like so, and then plug in the two sides to the driver's side and the passenger side. All right, and then lastly, we're just gonna go ahead and secure any loose wires, get these out of the way. All right, now with all these wires bundled up, we'll go ahead and reinstall this trim panel. And we're good to test out the system. And there you go. Here it is. It looks great. As you can see, the installation was pretty simple. So to get your very own custom name for your Jeep, visit oraclelights.com/decals or also visit the Luma Media webpage. Thanks for watching.